So today we will discuss the another act, that is Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and Rules 1975. This act actually focus on the most of the problem in India are due to the increasing population. So therefore this act where came to control the population problem and also to safeguard the health of women. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and rules thereunder in 1975. Certain rules were framed. Object of this act: termination of certain pregnancies by registered medical practitioner and for matters connected therewith. We can terminate the pregnancies by registered medical practitioner, and that too they are having the particular experience and also the justification that if pregnancy cannot be terminated, then the health hazard to the woman can occur. Therefore, termination of pregnancy is essential. This justification is to be given by the medical practitioner. MTP objectives aim to improve the maternal health scenario by preventing large number of unsafe abortion and consequent high incidence of maternal mortality and morbidity. We have to consider both mortality and morbidity. One is associated with the death and one is associated with the health. So we have to safeguard the health as well as we have to control the death rate also. So legalize the abortion services, promotes access to safe abortion services to women, offers protection to the medical practitioners who otherwise would be penalized under the Indian Penal Code section 315 and 316. The total motto is to safeguard the mental health as well as morbidity of pregnant women. Definition under this act, there are certain definitions like guardian, a person having care of minor or lunatic. Minor की जो minor means a female with who or she is under the age of 18 is called minor, and person who is taking care of that is known as the guardian. Then minor, a person who under the provision of Indian Majority Act 1875 is to be deemed not to have attained his majority. So this is according to the Majority Act 1875. Registered medical practitioner, who is registered medical practitioner under the Act of MTP, a medical practitioner who possesses any recognized medical qualification as defined in the clause H of section 2 of Indian Medical Council Act 1956, whose name has been entered in a state medical register and who has such experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics as may be prescribed by the rules under this act. There is a slight difference in the gynecology and obstetrics. Gynecology is the branch of study of female sex organs or female's reproductive system, whereas obstetrics is the branch that deals with the care of pregnant women. So thus we can say gynecology in if the things are normal, means female is not pregnant, then the diseases or conditions will come under the category of gynecology, whereas in case of pregnancy, all the things will become under the category of obstetrics. So generally, if you go to the medical college or certain hospitals, then you will find the department that is named as a gynecology and obstetrics, department of gynecology and obstetrics. Place, it is a building, tent, vehicle or vessel or part thereof used for establishment or maintenance therein of hospital or clinic, which is used or intended to be used for termination of pregnancy. So it is a place, it may be the hospital or certain other place where the qualified person and other facilities are available for termination of pregnancy. Owner, who is owner under this act, in relation to the place means any person who is administrative head or otherwise responsible for the working or maintenance of such hospital or clinic, that is known as owner under the act of MTP. Then circumstances for termination of pregnancy by RMP, sorry, that is registered medical practitioner. So category 1, when pregnancy is not more than 12 weeks old. The condition, number 1, injurious to physical or mental health of woman. If pregnancy is not more than 12 weeks and it is injurious to the physical or mental health of the woman. Second condition, child to be born would be seriously handicapped. So in these two conditions, pregnancy can be terminated under the supervision of RMP. Then second condition, more than 12 weeks, but less than 20 weeks. If pregnancy caused because of the rape or as a result of failure of any contraceptive device used by any married woman or her husband for the purpose of family planning, it may presume to constitute a grave injury to mental health of pregnant women. So in that case, rape or failure of contraceptive, which gives the negative impact to the mental health of woman or men, then the pregnancy can be terminated under the supervision of RMP. Woman with 18 years or more with her written consent, woman with less than 18 years, lunatic with written consent of her guardian. अगर 18 साल से कम है तो गार्जियन की कंसेंट. If more than 18 years, then she can give a written consent for termination of pregnancy. Experience or training required for terminating the pregnancies. This act prescribes the experience and training in gynecology and obstetrics for RMP who should have to terminate the pregnancy. इसमें experience चाहिए. Before commencement of the act, should have registration in state medical register and have more than 3 years of experience and practice in mentioned field. 3 years का experience चाहिए. Second, after commencement of the act, should have completed 6 months of house surgency in gynecology and obstetrics. 6 महीने का सर्जरी कोर्स होना चाहिए gynecology and obstetrics में. More than 1 year experience in the practice of gynecology and obstetrics at any hospital. Assisted RMP in the performance of 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancy in hospital established or maintained by government for this purpose. At least he or she must have the experience of terminating the 25 medical cases. Third, RMP who holds postgraduate degree or diploma in gynecology and obstetrics, the experience of training gained during the course of such degree or diploma is also counted. Places for pregnancy termination should have approval from the government, that is particularly hospital, and it must be approved hospital and that to be approved for terminating the pregnancy. So such type of facilities must be available in that hospital. Termination of pregnancies may be done under safe and hygienic condition. Safe and hygienic condition. Facilities required: operation table, instruments, anesthetic equipments, resuscitation equipments, sterilization equipments, drugs and parental food for emergency use. Maintenance of admission register. This is one of the important aspect in when we are covering the termination of pregnancies. Hospital owner has to maintain the register, and that register is very important document for terminating the pregnancy. Number one, head of the hospital or owner of the approved place should maintain the register in prescribed form of admission of women for the termination of their pregnancies. Second, serial number should be given to each entry in the register. उस रजिस्टर में एंट्री में सीरियल नंबर देना है. थर्ड, फ्रेश सीरियल नंबर need to be given in each calendar year. In each calendar year, we have to start the numbering another serially. So thus we can distinguish that the termination is carried out in such and such year. Serial number of each year should be distinguishable. So this should not be common. For example, in 1988 or 87, if we have given the serial number 44, same cannot be repeated. There must be some distinguishing letters. Information should not be disclosed, and it is a secret, and information should not be disclosed. So we have to, owner has to maintain the admission register. Offenses and penalties. Termination of pregnancy by a person who is not RMP. If a person is not RMP and he or she is not registered and also not having the name in the register of state medical council, like the pharmacy council, there is a state medical council. So any person who is a RMP, it must be registered and their name is enrolled in that register. So punishable under the IPC, that is Indian Penal Code के अंदर जो भी प्रोविजन होगा उसके हिसाब से पनिशमेंट होगा. सेकंड, ऑफेंसेस, एनी पर्सन who willfully contravenes or fails to comply with the requirement of any regulations made by the state government, fine up to 1,000 rupees. Take home message. It is necessary to register your nursing home under the MTP Act if you are going to do MTP. If we are having the hospitals and hospital owner or hospital is doing the termination of pregnancy, then it should be registered under the MTP Act. If you are doing, must follow all rules and regulation under the MTP strictly and correctly. All paperwork must be complete before you start an MTP. One never knows when an emergency arises. All paperwork must be complete before you start in an MTP, that is medical termination of pregnancy. One never knows when an emergency arises. कभी मालूम नहीं कब emergency हो. Cultivate good habits like keeping and preparing document well in time. So these are the certain important things. So this is a very simple and short